This is Andreas from Cloud. Previously on part 1, we have learned on how to provision our initial stack using AWS CloudFormations. Now on part 2, we will start adding some resources into our existing VPC, which is our initial stack. But instead of having to modify the main template, we will create a new template and layer it on top of the initial stack. Just like on part 1, I provided a template that you can use and modify it as per your requirements. Perfect. I'm using the Visual Studio here to modify the template. Now, there are quite a few things going on here. So we use the CloudFormation here to install some packages and create files, run commands, and also get the credential that we created, and then place it inside our Bastion host, which we can use it to jump to another instance. So we use the user data here. Alright, let's jump in and create the stack. Oh, before we create the stack, there are a few things that I want you to do. So remember the stack that we created. We want to get some of the values here, which we will be used on provisioning the Bastion host stack. So just dump it on a notepad for the time being. Alright. As you can see in here, there are quite a few parameters that we need to fill in. So the Bastion key name, this is the Bastion key that will be placed inside the Bastion host, that way we can use it to jump to another instance. Key 1, and the key name, this is the key pair that usually you use to SSH to another instance. So I created this previously. Now, as per diagram, so we will place that guy on subnet C and the VPC ID of the previous stack. That's it. Now we need to tag it. And then there is a warning down here, which is basically a knowledge that you're giving rights to this AWS CloudFormation to create the IAM resources. Alright, the create in progress. Alright, the CloudFormation has finished creating our Bastion host stack. Now, let's check the output. Great, now we just need to confirm the CloudFormation created our Bastion host instance properly. So I'll SSH to the instance. I'm using a git bash. So Mac OS X users can use the terminals. Yes. It's always a good practice to update your instance when it's up and running there. Okay, after finishing update the Bastion host from this L session, we want to confirm that the key pair was created. Yeah, right. As you can see, the Bastion key number 1 has been created and it's been placed inside this Bastion host. Alright, the last bit is we need to cat out the file from the terminals, because we don't want, you know, some things happening here, like if you deleted the key pair accidentally and you lose all the key pairs, and you can't jump into other instances, you get locked out, and that's bad. Alright, great. So just get that and put it on the text editors and place it somewhere safe in your fold. Alright, great guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.